So as you can see, this is the 6-inch version of the blades they produce. It's a very sturdy survival knife. So it's 6-inch blade, 3/16 of an inch, made of CPM 3V steel. I think it's around 60 Rockwell hardness. So this is a very solid knife. I mean, the construction is awesome. If you look at the grips, those are MacArthur grips. Contoured, very comfortable. I've been using this knife for a while, and I battoned all this, some of that stuff over there, and way more than that. I worked on 10 pegs with that. So this is really an awesome knife. Can't really recommend anything else. So I love this one. I hope they made a larger version of that one of these days. But that's a great knife. So as you can see, I'm doing some winter camping here. Cooking some food right now. So have a good one. So as you can see, the knife made some really nice shavings. Alright, so that's the sheath I use with my Survivor GSO6. So I use the standard Kydex sheath that comes with the knife, but I have a leather backing. Also has a loop for a ferro rod, and I added the SC pouch on there. So it gives me a lot of options. So if I take out that knife, so as you can see, well, my fire steel to start fire. I always use the light my fire because that works best for me. And then I have this Altoids tin in there. So basically I keep some tinder in there. So cotton balls and some of that stuff I got at the dollar store. Some briquettes to start barbecues. It works excellent. So lots of tinder in there. Pretty much guaranteed fire. And I really like that system.